Looking for a killer Black Friday deal that doesn't just look good on paper, but actually brings premium sound to your ears? These Beats Solo4 headphones are it. Originally priced at $199.95, they're now only $129.99 on Amazon. That's a huge 35% off for Beats' signature audio quality, with rich bass, crystal clear sound, and an ultra-comfortable design that's perfect for everything from playlists to podcasts. The Beats Solo4 aren't your average headphones. They're designed with Beats' signature audio quality, custom acoustic architecture, and updated drivers for that deep bass and crystal clear sound that makes everything from bass-heavy playlists to true crime podcasts sound better. Plus, with up to 50 hours of battery life, they'll go strong long, and if you're in a rush, don't worry, Beats has you covered with its fast fuel feature, which gives you 5 hours of playback after a quick 10-minute charge. Perfect for those "I'm almost out the door" moments. Built with an ultra-light, ergonomic design and ultra-plush ear cushions, the Solo4 headphones are made for all-day comfort. Thanks to their flexible headband and angled ear cups, these headphones stay snug without feeling tight. Ideal for everything from your morning commute to your late-night binge watch. The Beats Solo4 aren't your average headphones. They're designed with Beats' signature audio quality, custom acoustic architecture, and updated drivers for that deep bass and crystal clear sound that makes everything from bass-heavy playlists to true crime podcasts sound better. Plus, with up to 50 hours of battery life, they'll go strong long after the Black Friday sales are over. Since they're compatible with Apple and Android devices, the Solo4 headphones offer one-touch pairing, so you can get connected and start listening without any hassle. Equipped with Class 1 Bluetooth, these headphones keep a strong connection even at longer ranges and effortlessly handle calls and voice commands via their built-in microphone. This Black Friday discount is a rare chance to get Beats quality and style at a seriously wallet-friendly price. So, if you're ready to treat yourself or someone else to a major audio upgrade, grab a pair in matte black, slate blue, or cloud pink before this deal disappears. Join as he delves into the latest advancements in technology. In this video, Macbook will explore groundbreaking innovations, from artificial intelligence and robotics to the newest gadgets and tech trends shaping our world. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about the future, this video provides insightful analysis and hands-on demonstrations. Highlights include a deep dive into cutting-edge technologies and their real-world applications expert commentary on how these advancements impact our daily lives, reviews of the hottest new tech gadgets and tools, predictions for the future of technology, and what to expect next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting tech content from Macbook. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let us know what tech topics you'd like to see covered next.